CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Circle Internet Group stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. I'm the only person in this stock trading space that's done 43,000 videos over 5 years, and I've documented everything like literally it's all on my YouTube channel. But this is like one heck of a bullish market, and with a bigger correction that kind of happened on Tuesday. I mean, the truth about this is now this might seem a lot of very complicated, which is really not. You know, just recently I got a break-even point, and that's fair. That is going to happen, you know, it's totally normal part of the game. I'm just going to get rid of the idea because break-evens got hit. But beforehand here, you can see I was just milking it up, and I began milking it up since it was 76 bucks. Now we're just shy of 200. You know, this is when I started buying here. This is great. And honestly, just observing this is still going to be counted as a demand zone itself. And unless I see some sort of a confirmation or a double break, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to take things up. So, boom, boom. Here's also great demand. And if there is a double break confirmation here, then and only then I'm looking to take things further higher and buy. Other than that, it's all noise, you know what I mean? Like, last thing that I'll do is just randomly start buying all together. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, get the blueprint and all that good jazz free.